let's draw some shapes. We learned how to draw an ellipse and we learned how to draw a rectangle, so let's do that.
Okay then, so...
Okay, so you'll notice that matra it's called commenting your code. Anything that has 2 backslashes, it is a backslash, right? Backslashes in front of it won't be executed. It's not code at all, but it's very good practice to write what you're doing in every line of code. You should start doing that early on. It'll help you understand it, other people understand your code. Yeah. You might come back to old code and be like, what is this? But then you'll know if you wrote what it is. So now let's draw the ellipse.
So I'm going to draw an ellipse at 50, 50 of height and width 30 and 30. Yes, that's a circle. Perfect. Okay, that's what I expected. Now let's draw a rectangle. Let's also draw the rectangle at 50, 50 of width 60 and height 30. Oh, and press play.
Yeah, so this is a good illustration of what we were, what you might have noticed in the unplugged activity. Ellipses move from the center. Rectangles by default move from the upper left. So those are in the same X and Y location, but they don't overlap. You see that one is moved from the corner and one is from the center. So we'll move that over.
Let's just move that over.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And so we're just going to introduce let's do a line. Okay. You can check this out in the reference, but we'll just tell you. The parameters for a line are x1, y1, which is the first x and y location of the first point, and then the x and y location of the second point. It's also 4 parameters.
So maybe I want to draw a line from the center of the circle to the top left point of the rectangle.
Cool.
So I press play. Perfect. Except that's a straight line, but that's fine.
Yeah, so we can,
maybe
move it down.
Move the y down a bit. So let's make the y of the second point also 100, so that moves down. Yeah.
Great. So those are just a couple of shapes. You could look through the reference to draw so many more.